Okay, so we want to get the limit of this function right here as x approaches -3. Now you cannot use direct substitution, because if you plug in this -3 right here, -3 plus 3, that's going to be 0, so it's not going to work. But you can actually do some factoring and get another function that's buried inside this one. So you have two sister functions that they actually share most of the points except for this one right here. So they share all the points. They're going to overlap except when x equals -3. So let's factor. So if you factor the numerator here, you have x plus 3 times x minus 2, and at the bottom you have x plus 3, and you can see that these two cancel. So now you have another function, which is this one, x minus 2. So you got the original function, this whole thing right here, and then we got another function, this one right here, and now in this one you don't have the restriction of a denominator being 0, because there is no denominator. Well, actually, the denominator is 1. So we use direct substitution on this one. So we plug in the -3, we plug it in right here. So now I have -3 and -2, so you'll get a -5. So the limit is -5. The limit is -5. And let's see this graphically. So I'm gonna go. So I have the two functions right here, the original and the one that we got by factoring. And notice that it's all the same line. So they overlap in all the points except when x equals -3. So let me hide the blue one right here. So I hide the blue one, and I got the red one. And if I move my cursor, notice that when I reach -3, at -3, we have y is undefined. So on the first function there's a hole, you can see right there. But if I hide this thing, if I hide the red function and I show the blue function, the blue function is y equals x minus 2, and you see that if I move my cursor when x equals -3, and I get the limit. You can see that the limit is -5 when x equals when x approaches -3. So that's how you get the limit using factoring. You can't use a direct substitution on the original function, but if you factor out and find another function, and this function will share all the points except the point when x equals -3. And now you can use direct substitution on this one, and you'll get the limit. So the limit will be for both this one and this one.